easyJet Whiskey Lima, veteran you for a visual approach, runway 09, you are number 1, and report when you have Gibraltar in sight.
Respecting for 09, number 1, and Wilco, easyJet Whiskey Lima.
And easyJet Whiskey Lima, you can route direct, boot off now, Bravo Uniform Golf Oscar Victor.
So it's a boot golf, easyJet Whiskey Lima. And radar easyJet Whiskey Lima, we're visual.
easyJet Whiskey Lima, cleared visual approach, runway 09, number 1, QNH 1034.
Visual approach, runway 09, QNH 1034. Great with the number. Bye. Thanks for help.
Bye.
So hello, it's easyJet Whiskey Lima on the
easyJet Whiskey Lima, Gibraltar Tower, good morning. Just confirm you're on the visual approach.
Visual on
Roger, thank you. Continue approach runway 09, report gear down, touchdown wind 060 degrees, 20 knots, gusting 27.
And on that we'll report gear down and continue approach
easyJet Whiskey Lima, roger, surface wind 06020, gusting 26, runway 09, cleared to land.
Runway 09, cleared to land, easyJet Whiskey Lima.